This is what the Persians call Aush, and it is chickpeas and Swiss chard with, this one uses cranberries because it's very difficult to get the barberries. And then there's a hard egg that has been dropped down in this food. So to start with, this food you put a lemon and some bay leaves in some oil with garlic, and you simmer that around for a little bit. Then you add the chickpeas and water, and then you make some Bharat, which is a mixture of spices that include sesame seeds and I can't think. And I grow it outside too. What's it called? It comes from a crocus plant. Saffron. There we go. Saffron and cumin and coriander and just a variety of spices. So this is eaten with a bread that I make. This one is actually a gluten-free bread, and I just pan fry it and then I finish it off in the oven. And then this is a cheese that that goes with this food, and basically it's like a Greek yogurt that has been the whey has been removed and salt has been added, and it's very similar to also a Lebanese cheese called labna. But this is the food that I've made this week, and that's why I presented it. Plus my husband's not feeling well, and this makes him feel very, very comfy. So this is his comfort food.